Yo, what is up guys? I'm back. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve for the volume and surface area of the cone. Don't worry, it's still easy. So just follow along with me. Okay, you know already the formula, right? For the volume. Because remember, if you want to solve for the volume of the cone, we need to get the slant height. But we don't have the slant height, we have the literal height. So we'll just play volume na lang instead. Okay? So we have a diameter. This is the diameter, ha? The 5.5 cm pertains to the diameter. It's not the radius. Di ba remember sa volume ng cone, it's pi times the radius squared times the height divided by 3. But since the diameter is given, you have to get the radius. So 5 and 1/2 is like 5.5. So 5.5 divided by 2 is 27.5 something. Okay? So therefore, ito yung formula. Okay, so this is our formula. 3.14 times 2.75 squared times 6 divided by 3. The 6 and the 3 cancel, which just leaves to this one being 2 and this one being 1. So therefore, formula now is 3.14 times 2.75 squared times 2. Let's do 2.75 squared muna. So this one, kapag square namin, we should get 7.625. And then multiplied by 2, we should get 15.125. Furthermore, multiplying that with 3.14, tama. The volume of the cone is 47.4925 square cubic centimeters. So yan, so that should be the answer. Now, here's how we get that's how we get the volume. Now, if we were to convert that to liquefied units, this will be ml, automatic na yan. And if you were to convert that to liters, that would be, move the decimal point 3 places. So that would be 0.0474925 liters. Okay? So yun lang. Now that's the volume. Diba? Oops. Yan. Okay? Now to solve for the surface area. For the surface area, first of all, we need to get the slant height. Remember, the formula for surface area is pi times the radius squared, which is the area of a circle, plus pi times r times L. Remember pi times the radius. Remember the radius is 2.75. And then times L, which is the slant height. But we need to get the slant height by playing Pythagorean theorem first. So stand back. Okay? However, this is already there to the point. You got this, diba? You got 2.75 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. Diba? We know that 6 squared is worth 36, diba? 2.75 squared is 7.5625. When we add this up, we should get yan. Yan, we should get 43.5625. Then take the square root of that number, the square root of 43.5625, we should get, yan, 6.6. So therefore, that is the slant height. The slant height measures 6.6. Now, we can have our formula. Pi times radius squared plus pi times r times L. Or 3.14 times 7.5625 plus 3.14 times 6.6 times 2.75. Okay? Let's work this out together. So 3.14 times, remember that's the area of one circle. The area of one circle is this, diba? 2.75 squared. That'll be 23.74625. 23.74625 plus this one, diba? Ito yun. The one you need to get for the slant height. So 3.14 times 6.6 times 2.75 equals 56.991. Now when we sum this up all together, we should get yan, ito yung surface area ng cone. 80.73725. Okay? And that's it. We're done.